Hi, my name is Samaya March, and I'm assuming if you clicked on this video, your clip-ins have became tangled and look as if it's matte and unable to be revitalized. I have a set that's worse than this. They're even more matte, and that has happened before, and this method will work for the most unattainable looking matte clip-ins. So this method will work. So you first want to gather all 10 of your pieces, because usually every clip-in bundle come with 10 pieces, so make sure you have all 10 of your pieces. And then the next thing you want to do is get them wet. You want to saturate your hair with water. Next thing you'll need is a good moisturizer. It can be a cheap moisturizer. I love the Aussie. You get a lot bang for your buck, and then I also like it as a conditioner in general. And then you'll need like a dimming brush, something that's similar to a dimming brush, but something with those type of bristles. Now, I don't shampoo my clip-ins every time. These just so happen to be really dirty, and if they get too dirty when you're wearing them, sometimes they can cause like acne or something on your face because of dirty hair and dirt and oils. So every now and then you should wash them. Overall, I co-wash, and as you can see, I use this conditioner. I condition it with just enough, like maybe like a dime size amount, and then I start from the bottom and work my way up to the top with my brush, and I'm combing out the curls. On the end of the clip, you're gonna see a preview of how I am wearing my hair now. I'm uploading this video as well, and the makeup video will be included as well. So we have 3 videos that's dropping. Don't be too rough on the hair, be gentle. You gotta kind of still treat it like it's your hair, but don't be afraid to make sure you get all of those like matted curls out. After I am done washing my clip-in, I put them usually over to the side, and I allow my clip-ins to air dry. Now, if you are in a rush, you can use a blow dryer, but I highly suggest for you to air dry them. This is a simple process. Sometimes it's a little time consuming, because I think it can maybe take roughly around 30 minutes to get all of your clip-ins together, fully washed. But that is all, you all. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye.